This is a double-chamber flat glass tempering machine, which includes a preheating furnace, a heating furnace, and a cooling zone. The double-chamber flat glass tempering machine, with its high-efficiency, energy-saving features and high-quality output, is widely used in the fields of construction, home, appliances, and solar energy. The tempered glass produced by this machine is crystal clear and has a mirror-like surface. It is not only aesthetically pleasing but also boasts excellent impact resistance, making it a perfect combination of safety and beauty.